PLC Network here with another unboxing, this time something new coming from a company we're not familiar with. This is called HELM Audio. This is a new company that's come out with a true wireless pair of in-ear monitors or earbuds. And we're going to take a look at it, see what's inside the box, and show you what they look like. And then later on we'll let you know what we think about it at plcnetwork.net when we'll have a full review on this and tell you what we find. So the box is kind of nice, it's definitely a hard, kind of thick box. You are introduced directly to the buds themselves inside their charging case. The case pops right open and you have your two buds inside, just like most charging cases. So again, and these are true wireless, so there's no cables going in between the buds. And they just rest in there. You see the contact points in there. Once they're in there, they can start charging. You can travel around with these and the case will help keep them charged. That way you can use them all day long, maybe multiple days. And you won't have to worry about charging them as much. I have a little button here. Looks like that actually triggers the charge, so it doesn't look like they do it automatically, unlike most of the other buds on the market, but it also, like most other ones, it gives you an LED status right here showing you what the current capacity level of the case itself is, so you can see when it's time to actually charge everything. We'll put this to the side for now, see what else it comes with. You have a little fold-out here that talks about the buds and shows you how to use them, how to connect them to your device, how to read different statistics, such as the battery level on the front, and triggering the charging and so forth. You also have a card here that just is your typical thank you card, 20% off of future products and whatnot, so you can visit them and become a return customer. Further into the box, we have some additional tips. There's already a pair on the headphones themselves, plus you have an additional 3 other pairs inside this bag alone, which are the silicone ones, and then you also have some, or a single pair at least, of Comply comfort tips, which are the memory foam tips. So you have a total of 5 pairs of tips with these buds, which is pretty cool. So you have your small, your between small and medium, then you have small to large, and then you have large. And then you have foam, and which that's totally a user preference if you prefer to use foam over the actual silicone tips. The buds themselves, they're about the typical size that you normally find in true wireless earbuds, just about everywhere else. They kind of have a cool design on the front that has this kind of diamond texture to it. It almost kind of gives it a look of like a strawberry or something. You have buttons on each of them that are right here to turn each of them on with. And again, they just plop right into the case right there, and you can go on with your day and throw them in your pocket or a bag or something like that and keep them charged. And again, it looks like to trigger the charging, you do have to hit a button, so don't forget to do that. But again, this is HELM Audio, and this is their true wireless earbuds. And we're gonna have more about this online at the website, plcnetwork.net. We'll tell you what we think about this once we've had some time to listen to these. Again, we're kind of new to HELM Audio. We haven't heard of this brand before, so this is kind of cool. And we're excited to see what we think. So again, plcnetwork.net, we'll let you know what we think when the time comes. We'll give you all the details we can, including close-up shots and all that fun stuff. So if you liked what you've seen here, don't forget to subscribe below using the button down there, and feel free to use the comment area because we'd love to hear from you. And as always, we thank you for watching, and we'll catch you next time. If you want to stay on top of all the latest and greatest, or at least the gadgets we cover, remember to subscribe right here. Subscription button. Click it. You're going to want to. There's lots of videos, interviews, previews, all sorts of stuff. Button. Click it.